So what's up guys? It's been a while. I've not done a video in a while, so I'm happy to be making videos for you guys. And in this video is from your request. It's based on your request that I will be doing a video on MTN Nigerian shares. You guys have been asking me questions. So remember, each time if you ask me questions, the more questions I get from you guys, the more videos I get to do. So any question you have, any video, anything you want clarifying, just ask me and I'll do a video to correspond. So this video is brought to you by P2B Spiritual Father and Hood Therapist. So he asked me a question. I was talking about on Twitter. I talked about buying dividend stocks and why it's good you buy dividend stocks, because you get the stock and then you get dividends, so you win both ways. And he asked me, what of that MTN shares, the one we all bought, is that one good? He's asking me if it's a good buy. A good buy. MTN shares is a good buy. Then Hood Therapist has been asking me questions for about a month now. So I promised him I'm going to do a video. Who Therapist, here is the video. So let me dive into the video. Now, first things first, you need to know something about MTN. They have the highest market share of telcos, that's telecommunications, in Nigeria. So that alone makes them a very, very good company to be invested in. For that reason alone, like they are the highest shareholders. They control most of the market. Most people use MTN. So that's a very, very good buy. So that's a score 1 for them. Now, another thing is they are trying to expand. So if you're liking what you see, just like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell too, so you can get notified when I do a new video. So another thing is they are trying to expand. They just got their 5G license. It's actually on their website right here. This is their website, by the way, mtnonline.com is their website. And there's a video of 5G. If you recall, I have an entire 5G stocks, and this is a video on 5G on the website. So you can go watch it later. I'm just showing you. Welcome. So MTN is also a 5G stock, which is another plus, a good buy from that, a good perspective to buy the stock from that angle. Now something else they're trying to do is expand into finance. I think that's why they have these Momo guys. I think they are like banking agents now. They're trying to get PSBs and they've gotten it. So this article says MTN Nigeria and Airtel Africa, which is a competitor to MTN in Nigeria, launch payment service banks, which is what we call PSBs, payment service banks. Okay, and it says they'll be offering PSBs offer financial services, including deposit taking from individuals and small businesses, providing payment and remittance services, issuing debit and prepaid cards, running electronic wallets and other services. So MTN now, their side business is running financial services, which is good. If you know anything about financial services, they are highly profitable. So they'll be doing this on the side while they take your money for data. And one more thing you should know is this: there's something about owning shares like this. Each time you try to put data in your phone, you'll be much more confident knowing that at least you are also part investor in this company. And that's an ego booster to me. It's not really much of an investment it's an ego booster. So from these few points, and the final thing I want to make is their dividends and share price. So MTN Nigeria, in December, they were doing a public offering from December 1. MTN has been in the stock market, Nigerian stock market from 2019. It's not December that they just came in. No, in December 2021, that's 1st of December, they said they were going to do a public offering and it was going to span 14 days, which is from December 1 to December 14, 2021. And you were going to be able to buy 20 shares and they will give you one free share. And the price was going for 169 as at that time. But as you can see from here, this is December 2021, the price now is 200 naira. 169 naira as at December 2021. And right now we are seeing 230 kobo. That is about a 31 naira increase, which is roughly, I think, about an 18.9% increase in whatever you invested in December. I did advise a lot of people. I was like, okay, you know what? Because of the same reasons I'm giving you in this video, it would be good to buy the share or buy the stock. So for that reason alone, they are good to buy, and they have been paying dividends. So they have this thing they call interim dividends. So they pay you twice a year. Their companies are paid twice a year. So the MTN does that. So you can see in 2021, they paid in May. They paid 5.9 5 naira 90 kobo in May and in 2021, and they also paid 4 naira 55 kobo also in 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 August 2021. So if you add that up, I think that should be roughly 10 naira 45 kobo per share of MTN share you had in 2021 if you had bought it, but you were buying in December, so mostly you will not receive that dividends. Your dividends actually is going to come in in April 2022, April 7, 2022. As you can see right here, this is the dividend timetable, and it says 8.57 naira. That is according to investing.com, this website I am looking at right here. You can also check it out in this information in the MTN website where it says financial reporting, the one for investors. So it's important you can go through this. Now this is just some reasons why you should buy the shares. There are some other reasons why you should not buy it and things like that. So you could also do your own research. Please, this is not actually financial advice. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It's there's a lot of time and effort put into making videos, so at least E for effort, I should get a like. All right guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. There will be plenty of links in the description. All these links will be in the description. Also, I will be dropping 2 videos from other YouTube creators about MTN. One will be giving you details of what happened in December, and the other one will be giving you a perspective of, that is, deep perspective of an investor, or of how an investor should look at MTN. So that is exactly what will be in the description. All right guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Take care.